Another one! Flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County and central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County and central Oklahoma, Grady County and central Oklahoma, northern Cleveland County and central Oklahoma, until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:17 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated that thunderstorms have already produced 1 inch of rain over the warned area. Thunderstorms producing up 1 to 2 inches of additional rainfall are expected. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The following is a special weather statement. At 12:04 p.m. Central Standard Time, a strong
Well then, that surprised me.